In today's video I want to do a bike check of my Santa Cruz Bullit Dreambuild. I bought it as a complete bike as there's no frame only option available. The size is extra large. My specialized enduro was a S5, which was definitely too long. Santa Cruz's XL is similar to a specialized S4 like my demo, and that's spot on for me. Even better, the Bullit is also a mullet. Of course the frame is wrapped into an Invisiframe kit, as always. The motor is a Shimano EP801 and produces 85 Nm of torque, which is pretty decent. With the 630 Wh battery I'm able to get in quite a few laps on steep terrain. The monitor isn't as clean and integrated as for example on the specialized e-bikes. Hasn't bothered me on the trail, only the aesthetics suffer from that. The rear shock is a Fox DHX2 factory with a 550 pound super alloy racing spring. The seat clamp is made by Tune and holds a SDG dropper post with 170mm of travel. That's still the original one that came with the Bullit. I considered a longer seat post like a 210mm, but I feel like when the saddle is all the way down it tends to collide with my knees. The saddle is a 143mm Specialized Power Pro. The headset is a Cane Creek Hellbender 70. A good headset just has to last, and in my opinion this one definitely does. For steering I'm running a Tune GT35, which is 35mm long and holds the 35mm diameter 790mm wide Pro Coriac handlebar. I would have preferred more rise than 20mm, but the Coriac seems to be the only aluminum handlebar that is able to hide e-bike wiring. So I tried to compensate the missing height with a few more stem spaces. On top I still got my stem captain, but it keeps falling out of its holder, so I think about going back to a normal top cap. I like the grip of Santa Cruz's house grips. The Fox 38 factory with the Grip 2 damper delivers 170mm of travel. Now in the wintertime that Mudhugger Evo is an essential. Brakes are TRP DHR Evos paired with the Trickstuff power pads and Dechler rotors in 203mm front and back. In the front I'm rolling on a 25mm wide DT Swiss EX471 rim laced to an Industry 9 Hydro hub. Out back I run the same combo but with a 30mm wide EX511 rim to compensate the increased stress on the rear wheel caused by the bike's weight and the mullet setup. For tires I got a Schwalbe Magic Mary in Super Trail casing with the soft rubber compound in the front. On the rear I run a Big Betty in Super Gravity casing and also the soft rubber compound. I'm too lazy to try anything else because I know how these tires react in and out. I got them set up tubeless with PT sealant and Tune valves. No inserts required. For drivetrain I'm on a GX Eagle axis shifter and derailleur paired with an X61 chain and cassette. The cranks are E13's E-Spec Plus in 165mm to create more ground clearance. Paired with a 34 tooth chainring and an E13 E-Spec Plus chain guard. But I will definitely upgrade to one with a bash guard in the future. Pedals are DMR Volts in the Brandok edition. Best grip out there. The bottle cage is also made by Tune. I'm going to do a long-term review of the Bullit at the end of this year. Also going into detail concerning some of the components I chose on this build. So stay tuned for that. And also go check out the Bullit's Dreambuild video on my channel. See you then, cheers.